Yes guys, welcome back to Crypto Alert and welcome back to another video on upcoming NFT projects that you can get whitelisted for right now. These are the videos where I do go through NFT projects that are in my radar, that are in extremely early stages, and that I've actually managed to talk to the guys behind their project to get you some alpha and some more info on the projects. Now alongside of it, remember not to make any silly decisions, not only from my videos but from any other YouTuber, Twitter influencer and so on. Do your research before making any sort of investment, especially in the crypto and NFT world. You can only put money that you're willing to lose, of course, and these would be assumed as risky investments. So alongside it, remember that. With that being said, let's get straight into this video. Also, I'll be doing a bunch of giveaways for the time to come over on my Twitter. Make sure to follow that. The link will be down below. Whitelist, NFTs, and so I'll be giving away over my Twitter, so definitely check that out. Now in this video, we'll be going through the Lounge Lovers NFT, and let me explain why you should be looking out for this project. It is looking really good. I'm extremely excited by it. I'll be giving you an honest review of this project for you guys to get a full understanding on what's going on here and also my thoughts on it. Now, starting up right off the bat, the Twitter is sitting on 15,000 followers. Decent following, but I really want to look at, are they even organically growing this project? A lot of the times you end up having a lot of NFT projects with fake followers, basically a dead following. In this case, that's not the case. These guys have built up a really strong community, and with NFT projects, community is important, and in this case, they've done a great job doing it. They're averaging about 100 likes, I would say, per tweet. A lot of people promoting the project as well. They're doing a lot of promotions, a lot of collabs, giveaway collabs, which works out well. And when they're doing these giveaway collabs like these, you can tell these guys know what they're doing in the NFT space, and they hopefully understand the NFT space as well, not just from the marketing perspective, but from the community perspective, which I've been able to confirm by joining their Discord and just actually going through the general chat and all that good stuff. Also, if you come down here, you can see that they have been up in Times Square, which in my opinion is massive. They went up on Times Square in the billboard, and they were there for a while, which is pretty sick as well. Now, when can you actually mint or buy this NFT in the pre-sale? Now, the pre-sale is in 5 days and 21 minutes. So from the 18th, you'll be able to purchase it in a pre-sale. In mint, you'll be able to purchase it on the 19th. So not long left, literally 1 day after the pre-sale. Now, right off the bat, the art itself, tremendous. It looks really good. That's again something you need to be looking at all the time, in my opinion. Especially recently, I've seen projects with actual good art doing good. If you come down here, you really get to see the detail and work that's gone into it. And this, in my opinion, the standard of this NFT is much better than 80% of the projects that I've been seeing. Alongside it, don't get me wrong, there's much more better art in this case in the NFT world, but at the same time, they've got some pretty good utilities to go alongside it. And if you go down to the roadmap, we'll be able to learn more about it. So welcome to the show. A $20,000 fund has been created in the face of the Music Foundation, which sounds interesting, right? It's exciting. I want to learn more about it. And if you do want to learn more about it, join the Discord. Now, opening act, 5 Lounge Lovers NFTs will be randomly given away to members. They're pretty much summed up. They're doing a bunch of giveaways every single time they hit a milestone in the opening act. At 40%, they're going to grab the mic. 30,000 will be available to finance community creation, design development, marketing royalties, with allocated in a special fund to ensure the well-being of the rest of the project. By the community, they do mean the people that are holding onto the NFT, and they will be funding 30,000 for different creative things that you can be doing with the fund. Now, concert series, 10 premier tickets will be given out, 5 sets of 2, randomly selected to NFT owners, to the Coachella music event. If you guys didn't know, it's a massive music event. I'm pretty sure in the US. I'm not too much into it, but I know it's pretty big. And they'll be giving away 10 tickets, which is pretty good, you know, trying to get the community involved in different ways. And the Rock Festival, Celebrities Cruise Ship, music themed cruise for $2 plus $2,500 to travel will be randomly given to an NFT holder. Now, these are just really cool perks for being part of the club. They're really trying to build up this sort of club community vibe into this project. I've got to say, it sounds sick. Now, 10 custom Fender guitars will be randomly given to 10 different NFT holders. Now, the Stadium Tour. 20 legendary NFT holders will receive 1-to-1 custom Lounge Lover paintings. 2 lucky of these holders will receive 5 Ethereum. Yes, 5 Ethereum, which is about $15,000 at the time of talking, which is a pretty decent amount. And welcome to the Lounge Lover music scene, future projects including clothing collabs. And basically, these clothing collabs and these future project collabs will be able to obviously have you given free NFTs, whitelists, and more opportunities to get involved in those projects. They will open a world for people to have the best networking opportunities and events from the convenience of your computer. They'll be purchasing property in the sandbox. We've seen a lot of projects doing this. A lot of projects have benefited from it. A lot of projects have done a really good job from it. And in this case, these guys are trying to take up on that trend and purchasing land in the sandbox. This will be good depending on where they actually end up purchasing it, which is going to be a worry because it's going to be a big investment onto this project. I do hope they purchase some good land in the sandbox. For some important info, all of the Lounge Lover roadmap prices will be attempted to be announced and completed in the 60 days of attainment. So in 60 days, you'll be receiving your prices. Any unforeseen problems in purchasing prices by LL will be replaced in a dollar value to winners in Ethereum within the same time frame. Now, pretty much what they mean here, things like the Coachella tickets and so on, are obviously not going to be the easiest to obtain. In that case, if they can't get hold of it within 60 days of that day you actually end up winning, they will be paying you the amount that would be worth in dollars, which in my opinion is a great way to show that they are looking to be genuine here. They're not just trying to promise you a bunch of things that are not accomplishable. They're trying to back it up with replacements if something does fall through in that case. Now, one thing I do want to see is the team being doxed. I think that's really important. At the time, we have seen a lot of projects not being doxed, doing incredibly well. So it isn't the biggest worry for me, especially after seeing the project in the Discord, getting the chance to even talk to some of them. I've got to say, they've got my trust for now, and I do want to see them being doxed later down the line. That'll be massive. This brings me to the end of this video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you have, smash your like. Winner of the Solana giveaway, please DM me on Twitter. And remember, we are doing another giveaway of 2 Solana to 2 different people. And all you got to do is like and comment down below with your favorite NFT you are holding or you're looking to purchase, and you're basically entered into the project. And yeah guys, best of luck. Peace.